Hello, welcome back to the channel Into Tech. Today we're going to be showing you how to delete your Spotify account. So first off, if you want to delete your Spotify account, you will have to do it on the internet browser, as you can't currently do it on any of the Spotify apps. Just a quick reminder before we get into the video, if you do like this type of content, please leave a like and comment below and consider subscribing to the channel. So with your chosen browser open, go onto your search engine and search for Spotify. Once you're in there, go to the Spotify web player. With the Spotify web player dashboard open, at the top just click on support and then in the search field type closing account. You will see it pops up underneath the search bar, so just click on it, load it up, and then here you will see some more instructions. Here you can see if you have Spotify Premium, you can cancel your subscription and continue using the Spotify free account instead. But if that isn't something you want to do, you will have to contact customer support to close your account. If you don't have Premium, you can just click on close account underneath. Now, as you can see, this is one of 5 steps you have to take to close your account. The first one is just close your account, which will take you to step 2, which is just to confirm that you're logged in to the right account you want to delete. Step 3 is just advising you on things that they want you to know, that you will lose your username, followers, playlists, etc., and that you understand what you're doing. The 4th step is where they send you an email where you have to go to that email and click on the link to delete your account within 24 hours, otherwise your account will remain open. Once you do get the email that looks like this one, all you have to do is click on close account and you're done. And that brings to an end another video from us. I do hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed it. If so, please leave a like and comment below and consider subscribing to the channel Into Tech.